See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
APC government, they lie about everything. Today, Baba fell. Anybody can fall. Donald Trump don't fall before. Obama don't fall before. Joe Biden don't fall before. Anybody can fall down. But the handlers were saying, AI. But on the website of Turkish website, they said Baba fall. The video where we they see, you yourself watch the video, they watch her. We saw Baba Bagada on the floor, which anybody can fall. We no person we go give Baba coat. Long coat when no be agbada, make Baba they wear. Anyway, long and short, they say na AI. Later, BBC carry out. BBC say no be AI. Turkey television talk and say him fell, but they know they show the video. So our handlers, why do you people lie? 6 months ago, we carry news about the coup in Nigeria. You said there is no coup. But 2 days ago, you said you are taking some people to court for coup. In this country, our handlers, they lie about everything. 2 Sundays ago, Christians were taken in churches in Kaduna State, 177. We made a video. They said na lie. Nobody. 5 days after, police they come and say na true. Why you guys they lie about the happenings in our country? Is that why federal government is busy paying lobbyists to be killing news, to be buying news? You people are not serious. You are too fake. You are too fake. Your make-believe is too much. Baba fall. Anybody can fall. Why they lie? Why they lie? Can you run a government of lies by lies from liars? What a country. Liars. That's why we are not growing. We are in the middle. 1 minute the economy is growing. Now, Erufai said, you guys are taking 100 billion every day from every month from our account. That it is illegal. The National Assembly, they didn't know about it. I'm sure when we say come and talk now, you say na lie. But in another 1 year, you say na true. Why do we lie? We can't be running government of lies by liars for liars. Why? Government must be clean and come with a clean hand. Stop lying. Abba, get up. I don't know who give you big coat to wear. This coat too big pass agbada. Sorry you fall. But stop lying, Nigerian handlers of Baba. Okay?